This article comes out of DaytonDailyNews.com. So 2.2 million sledgehammer under a recall. These people can't even make a sledgehammer. Now you know that's a shame. More than 2.2 million fiberglass sledgehammer are under a recall because the head can detach during use, causing an injured wheels, according to the recall issued Thursday by the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission. Now, the only time a sledgehammer is supposed to do that, what it's saying, if it wear old, if a sledgehammer done last about a few years, perhaps a few decades, and it start doing that, that's understandable. But a brand new sledgehammer, no, it don't supposed to be like that. No, 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 no. But let's get into this article. This is gonna show you don't make nothing don't get made like it used to be. And let me tell y'all something. There's a sledgehammer that I had for a long time. Matter of fact, I think that sledgehammer. I think I think my mother. I think she the sledgehammer that she had to work on around the the fit stuff. I think she had a particular sledgehammer a little bit before I was born. And as old as that hammer is, that that hammer don't even do that. That hammer currently right now is not detaching. And it's old. It is old enough where it should be doing that, but it's not. This is going to show you, like I go back, like I said a few minutes ago, they don't make nothing like they used to. These people out here saw the way they make stuff. Consumers should immediately stop using the recalled sledgehammer sold under DeWalt, Stanley, and Craftsman brand. There have been 192 reports of sledgehammers head detachment, including 2 report injury to consumers' face and head. Ooh. Mm, mm. The fiberglass sledgehammer was sold between $18 and $26 from November 2013 to November 2022 at Home Depot, Ace Hardware, and other hardware stores nationwide and online. For a full refund, fill out a form online or call Stanley Black Decker at, okay, that's the number you can call. And I'll put a link to the article in the description. In this case, y'all want to check this article out for yourself. The DeWalt and Stanley sledgehammer are yellow and black, and the Craftsman sledgehammer are red and black. Model number of the DeWalt and Craftsman hammer are marked on the hammer head, and model number of the standard hammer are on a sticker on the handle. The DeWalt model is under the recall on. Okay, so down the bottom of this article, because I'm putting it in the description, they give you the number, the brand number, and they also give you a particular brand of sledgehammer, the model number, and they don't give the serial number, but it's got the model number. So yeah, like I said, if you want to see the model number for these sledgehammer, I'll put link to article in the description box. So sledgehammer being recalled. Mm, 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 mm. What else, y'all? What else gonna be in the news for a week call? Sledgehammer? I thought these people out here could at least make that decent. No, they can't. No, they can't. And that's been a weak on thing. These things these materials and items you think they will be able to make good decent, they can't make that decent. And you can't play around with a sledgehammer, especially from the head, cause that thing fall. Mm, you can feel how hard a hammer is. That's hard. You can't play around with that. But y'all let me know what y'all think about this. Leave your thoughts down in the comments.